The Rhine River is one of the longest and most powerful rivers in Europe. Its waters originate in the Swiss Alps, flowing through several modern countries, including Germany and the Netherlands, before emptying into the North Sea in the time of Julius Caesar, around 58 BC. The Rhine was not only a natural barrier, but also the border between the Roman Empire and the hostile Germanic tribes. With its width, depth, and swift current, the Rhine was considered nearly impossible to cross. To the Germanic tribes, it was a reliable defense. But for Julius Caesar, this river was the perfect stage to demonstrate Roman power. His plan was simple: to show that no obstacle, not even a river as formidable as the Rhine, could stop the Roman army. Caesar's decision to cross the Rhine wasn't about conquest or expansion, but about proving to both allies and enemies that the Roman army could overcome any challenge. It was a direct challenge to both nature and his foes. The Rhine was a massive obstacle. At the site Caesar chose for his bridge, near the present-day towns of Andernach and Neuwied in Germany, Caesar tasked his engineers with constructing a bridge that could withstand. The river was wide, its depth reaching up to 10 meters in places, and its current dangerously swift. Caesar knew that this was a challenge he would have to meet head-on, relying only on the skill and discipline of his own engineers and soldiers. To cross this natural barrier, not just the force of the river, but also support the weight of thousands of soldiers, it had to be strong enough to last, and quick enough to surprise the Germanic tribes on the other side. The Roman engineers worked quickly and efficiently. They drove wooden piles deep into the riverbed, stabilizing them with large stones. To protect the bridge from attacks and debris, they set up additional barriers upstream. The construction was so well thought out that the stronger the current, the sturdier the bridge became. The work didn't stop, day and night, under the blazing sun and moonlit skies. The Roman soldiers labored to complete the bridge in record time. The name of the brilliant engineer behind this bridge has been lost to history. Some believe it was Mamora, Caesar's trusted engineer. Others suggest it might have been Marcus Vitruvius Pollio, the famous Roman architect, and author of the 10 books on architecture. Whoever it was, their idea was nothing short of genius. 10 days after the start of construction, the bridge, which length to 400 meters 1,312 feet, in stretched and about 9 meters 30 feet, in width, was completed, near present-day Andernach and Neuwied in modern Germany. Thousands of Roman legionaries crossed the Rhine, demonstrating their power and discipline. The Germanic tribes, watching from the far bank, decided not to intervene. Their once safe now seemed vulnerable. After Caesar completed his demonstration of power, the bridge was dismantled. He had no intention of leaving it behind for future battles. The bridge was a symbol of Rome's might, and once its purpose was fulfilled, it was destroyed just as quickly as it had been built. This bridge became a symbol of Roman engineering prowess and military strength. Caesar had shown the world that no barrier, not even the mighty Rhine, could stand in the way of the Roman army. Though the bridge was destroyed, its legacy lived on.